What's up, everyone? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos channel. Appreciate you guys joining me in this video. Finance is in a weird place right now, okay? A very weird place. There is this struggle between the government and the people, and there doesn't need to be. But there continues to be this pushback that is making it harder for people to spend their money. For example, there's something that has been going on in the European Union right now that most people may not be aware of. I wasn't aware of this before reading this article. But apparently back on November 6th, the European Union approved a new limit for cash payments, and that you can only spend 10,000 euros in all the countries that are part of the European Union, 10,000 euros in cash. Now, I thought this was really strange, right? Because if you have a large sum of money and you want to spend that money, that's what it is. It's legal tender. They should have to accept it, right? That's how it works. But apparently not, okay? I know here in the US, if you spend anything over $10,000, you do have to fill out the form that gets submitted to the IRS. It tracks, where the money came from and all this sort of stuff. But to completely stop more than $10,000 just seems ludicrous to me. Now, that being said, each country that is in the European Union can actually set the limit even lower. For example, in Spain, it actually has one of the lowest limits right now, and citizens can only spend $1,000 in cash. Okay. How many times have you spent more than $1,000 in cash? Probably a few times, right? I know I've done that. Okay. So I think this is just really weird, but this I'll call it overreach. This overreach continues to stretch further beyond here. Now, where it's starting to extend into is cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency is supposed to be about freedom and decentralization and, again, the freedom to transact. It's an unalienable right. At least it should be, okay? Now, what they're saying is any crypto transaction moving over 1,000 euros, okay, will face due diligence inquiries by the virtual asset service providers facilitating them. So basically, they're starting to crack down on crypto transactions more and more. And again, this doesn't need to be the way that it is, but this is what, some governments are pushing towards. And I personally don't think it's right. Obviously, everybody can have their own opinion. There does need to be some regulation to make things safer, to help people be more informed. That's why ClearCryptos is a very important, right? It's coming at a very important time, a very important crossroads for the entire crypto space. That's why it's great that ClearCryptos is here. And with ClearCryptos helping guide, regulation to where it needs to be, these sorts of things can be avoided. Okay. That's all I really have to say. It should not be this difficult or this complicated, and there shouldn't be this struggle between the people and the government to transact. Okay. That's all I really got. Just wanted to keep you guys updated on all the things happening in crypto. I feel like this is very important, and I'm surprised that this has not gotten talked about more. More people need to be aware of the things that are happening in our space and need to be prepared. Okay. But as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the video. If you haven't already, do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and I really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.